This video will demonstrate how to search Wacker Neuson University to find relevant training resources. We will cover how to find courses and also any other online resources that aren't shown on your homepage. This is one of 4 related videos on university navigation. You can scan a QR code or search the University Learning Library to view other videos on how to log in, how to use the enroll and pay system for instructor-led training, or how to navigate all the menus in the university. We begin this video by assuming that you have logged in and can view your university homepage. It's the landing page that you see after you log into the university and a great place to begin searching for resources. Let's first talk about the menu banner. To help users easily find content, the homepage has a row of quick link tiles near the top of the homepage. Each tile is a link to a popular university resource that you can access with one click. The links you see may change over time, but I'll cover the links that were available when this video was recorded. Certified Service Tech Pathway is a link to a PDF explaining our service certification paths. Pathways CP1 to CP3 are free online courses on service core competencies available to any user, but are especially targeted for technicians or mechanics. There's a link to view available instructor-led training sessions. These include sales and service courses, including our online engine diagnostic training for Perkins and Yamar engines. The What's New link takes you to a course with our recently updated modules. Use that course to view modules that interest you. There's a link to the University Talkify page. Talkify allows users to view session dates for our instructor-led training sessions without logging in. It also provides a monthly calendar view if you wish to see sessions in a calendar format. Users can't enroll through Talkify, but there are links to take users to the university enrollment page. The RELCO certification link shows a PDF with links to help service technicians earn Kohler KDI, KDW, or KSD engine certification through Kohler Engine University. The PDF also shows how to report completed training back to Wacker Neuson University. There's also a link to the University Travel Guide, which is airport, hotel, and travel information for users who will be attending in-person training in Wisconsin. And finally, there's a link to a PDF explaining Equip Inspector, which is the machine diagnostic tool that replaces Wanda on new compact equipment machines. The PDF has part numbers to order the toolkit and instructions for how to activate the Equip Inspector software. The menu banner is an easy way to get to commonly used resources with only one click. Let's now look at the My Training section of your homepage. The center of the landing page is the My Training section, which is a list of courses divided into in progress and not started. Courses appear in My Training if they were assigned to you or if you clicked on a course and self-enrolled. We don't typically auto-assign courses to users because we don't know which Wacker Neuson products are handled at your dealer. We do assign our Certified Service Technician Learning Path to users who are a service technician or mechanic. But users can self-enroll in any course just by clicking the title of the course. The last half of this video will show you how to find courses so that you can self-enroll. If your My Training has a lot of courses, you can click the arrow to scroll to the right, or you can click the blue arrow by Not Started or In Progress to expand that category and view all the courses in that category. That helps if you have a lot of courses in a category. Another way to view all your courses is by clicking the Assign Training link in the top menu bar. They'll display all your courses that are assigned or if you self-enrolled. You can hover over any tile to see more details. You can click the title to open an item which will self-enroll you in the course or learning path. To help you find a course if your course list is very long, you can change the sort order from alphabetical to recently viewed. You can use the checkboxes to filter by courses assigned to you or ones that you self-enrolled in. You can also filter by completion status to only view your completed courses, in progress courses, not started courses, or a combination of several types. Using the filter checkboxes will help as your list of My Training courses increases. The best way to locate new content is to use the search bar. The search bar allows you to find a course or resource that is not shown on your homepage. A search will locate 3 types of university resources: learning paths, courses, and assets. A learning path is a group of related courses. On the screen, you can see the online service and sales paths available. Clicking the title of the learning path will enroll you in all the courses of that learning path. If the result is a course, you can click the title to self-enroll and open the course. Note that the search result will include both sales and service courses. Sales courses focus on features and operation. Service courses focus on maintenance and troubleshooting. Sales users will probably want to choose sales courses, but may also benefit by completing a service course on that product or topic. You click a course title to self-enroll in that class. The course should now also show in the My Training section of your homepage. Some resources are called assets. An asset is a standalone PDF document or video that is part of a course, but it can be downloaded separately. Posting them as an asset makes them easier to locate, easier to save, and easier to email. If you click an asset, you'll need to download it to view the document or video. Shown on the screen is a sampling of the different assets available. There are videos for setting speed limiter on a track loader, Yanmar replace primary fuel filter, using ePartner, and for checking fuel injectors using Perkins EST. Guides, several guides, or PDFs are available. You can find our soil and compaction guide, generator sizing guide, guide to the Battery One app, auto start programming guide for light towers, and our Wanda download and activation guide. Forms. The university has licensing forms for Kohler, Perkins, and Yanmar certification and licensing. Let's look at our first type of search by term. To search for new content that is not already in your My Training panel, you'll need to search for a resource. You can use the search bar at the top of the university homepage, or you can click Learning Library in the top menu bar and use that search bar. Both give the same results. For this example, we will search by entering a term in the search bar. Let's enter the term compaction. As you type, Litmos will show several top matches below the search bar. If you enter compaction, you will see matches to an asset, the soil and compaction PDF, and a course on compaction theory. If you're a salesperson looking for training on compaction products, you can add the word path to the search bar, and the top match will show Sales Path 2 as a match. Click the title to choose that learning path. If you don't choose one of the suggested top matches, enter your term or terms and press enter. You will see tiles with all potential matches. You can hover over a tile to see more details and see if the item is a learning path, course, or asset. If you click Sales Learning Path 2, you will add several courses on rammers, plates, and rollers to your My Learning section on your homepage. If you self-enroll in a learning path, you are assigned multiple courses. By hovering over another option, you will see an asset that is the Soil and Compaction Guide PDF that you saw from the top matches shown by Litmos. You can download that resource on which machines to use for which compaction project. Pay attention to the progress bar at the bottom of each tile to help you select an item. It will indicate if you already completed that module, if you are in progress in that course, or if you have not started the course. Progress bars only show on courses and learning paths. There is no progress bar shown for assets. Search example number 2, search by machine. For this example, we'll use the search bar at the top of the homepage to search for information on utility track loaders. When searching, you can enter a model number, a word, or several words. Litmos will not only search the titles, but it will also look at the description to find potential matches. But you may need several attempts at words and word combinations until you get the result you want. What happens if I enter UTL? I get multiple results for sales and service courses, as well as a few PDF documents. Notice that UTL does not need to be in the title. Litmos is also looking at the course and description. Let's see what happens if we enter SM100. I get a similar but shorter list of results. Hovering over each and looking at the description will help you choose what you want. What if we use a more general term like loader? Under top matches, I see a course on utility track loaders and a PDF asset to our loader brochure. If you don't pick one of top matches, the word loader gives too many results. To shorten the list, you can return to the search bar and add the word utility along with the word loader. This helps narrow the results. Results get even more specific if you add the word service to utility and loader. To refine your search, you can also use the checkboxes on the left. The checkboxes work together with the words in the search bar. You can also use the content type checkbox to filter to only view the assets. Your takeaway is that you might need to try several combinations of words and use the filters in the left column to narrow your search. For our third example, we search for an engine licensing renewal form. Let's say you're a service technician and need to renew your Perkins ESD license and need the form. If you only enter the word Perkins in the search bar, you will see the form as one of the top matches. If you add the term ESD to the search and press enter, you will see the form as one of the matching assets. Click to open the asset and download the form. Assets are a quicker way to find a resource without needing to search through an entire course for a download. For example 4, let's search for a specific feature. If you want help on setting the speed limiter control on a track loader, you can enter just the word speed into the search bar. The top matches will show you a video and a PDF on speed limiter. You didn't need to type the word limiter because good matches showed from just the word speed. If you enter the word speed and press enter, you will see tiles to the same PDF and video assets. You can click the tile to open and then download the asset. For the last example, we'll do another feature search for auto start programming for a light tower. To find auto start programming features, you can enter LTT. You will see the top match results and select a program by the photo cell or date and time. If you skip the top matches and press enter, you will see videos and PDFs on the different types of program options. If you enter the word light, you will get similar results. If you enter auto, you also get good results for resources to help you program deep C. But if you enter the word program, the results aren't as good because you also get results on our certification program. To fix that, you could enter the words program light to get at the videos that can help you. And for one final search tip, let's talk about favorites. If you know you will want to come back to open a course or asset often, you can mark an item as a favorite. Favorites show at the bottom of your university homepage. To mark an item as a favorite, hover over a tile. You will see the heart icon at the bottom of the details window. Click the heart icon. The icon will fill in, meaning it is now one of your favorites. Let's search for a maintenance timer reset video. When you find a video, hover over the tile and click the heart icon. To view your favorites, when you are on your university homepage, there will be a favorites panel below the My Training section. Those items will be there for easy future reference. I'll wrap up this video by reviewing the key takeaways. 1. Find resources by searching the Learning Library. Search results can be learning paths, courses, or assets. Hover over tile to see the resource type, or click a tile to view the type or course details. 2. Use search with word combinations or model numbers. Use the checkbox filters along with the search terms to narrow your results. 3. If you click a course title to open a course or learning path, you automatically self-enroll and the course or courses will appear in the My Training section on your homepage.